Hey, third grade. To access your assignment this week, you are going to need to first read your story from the third grade webpage or your Google Classroom about important people. This assignment right here is a view-only assignment, so if you're in your parents' account or an outside account, you're going to need to click the blue button and sign in. If you're in your account, this should just open. Everyone is going to have to go to File, Make a Copy, and you're going to want to choose the entire presentation. Google is going to name this copy of third grade March 30th through April 3rd, and it's going to save it in your Google Drive. So you're going to click OK. This is going to allow you to type on this presentation and enter some text and share it with your teacher. The title of your story is Important People. Your TEKS, you're going to make connections to personal experiences, ideas, and other texts in society. Evaluate details read to determine key ideas. Synthesize information to create new understanding. Explain the author's purpose and message within a text. Recognize organizational patterns such as cause and effect, problem and solution, and identify the use of literary devices, including first or third person point of view. So if you need a reminder about author's purpose, I put this on here and you can read it, but I want you to determine if the author is trying to teach you about something, entertain you, inform you, persuade you, or describe something to you. So on the following slide, it asks, what's the author's purpose in sharing this story? Ms. Henry has already put a text box on here. So you're just going to click there, and you are going to type and tell me what the author's purpose for this story is. And explain to me, leave it in space there, what the author's purpose is. On the next slide, you are going to go back and probably need to revisit the story. You're going to explain the work that these people do and what their job is. So right here by the janitor, you're going to click in there and tell me about his job, the teacher, the principal, the mayor, and the governor. On slide 7, it's just a recap of point of view. So if you need to reread this and remind yourself about point of view, you can. You're going to need to decide if the story is told in first person or third person. So think about, is the author using words like I, we, me, or us? Or is the author using words like he, she, they, and them? On slide number 8, you can take these and move them and manipulate. If you think it's third person, you could drop it in the box. Or first. And then decide what words the author is using to retell the story and move those to right there. On the last slide, I want you to share with me why you enjoyed this assignment before you're turning it in to your teacher. You can give your teacher or Ms. Henry a quick message here. When you're finished, you're going to click share and you're going to type your teacher's name. I'm going to share this one with Miss McGrew. And there's Miss McGrew. I will click on her and send. Boys and girls, I miss you so much, and I'm so proud of all the hard work that you're doing. Make sure you turn this into your teacher or share this with them, and I hope I get to see you soon.